I will not be defeated, and you will not be defeated. Mom, you and I battle the same issue every Christmas, every birthday, every special occasion where we search the planet far and wide for the best gift for our kids, only to discover that they like the box better than the gift inside. Well, I am here to give you the solution that you need to combat the box. It is not acceptable that you search for an amazing educational toy only to have your kids play with the box. What's that all about? Are you making these rookie mistakes? Are you using words like educational, learning, smart when you present your gifts to your kids? Don't make the rookie mistakes. Instead, you need to use words like fun, exciting, dangerous, and popular to get your kids' attention. And I have a secret for you. When you get your kids something fantastic and you sabotage yourself because you used the E word, educational, and your kids go for the box instead, I have a cardboard challenge for you, and you can get that at the link. This will redeem the educational stuff out of the box that took the place of that fantastic toy that you purchased for your kids. You can challenge your kids to do things like make an invention, create your own movie watching station, but you must use 4 colors. You can have your kids draw all over the box, make costumes, stomp inside, plant a tree inside, and all kinds of things. And I didn't print the right page. They can earn a prize. You can have them do a cardboard box challenge, and you can decide that they must complete one of 5 of the cardboard box challenges in order to redeem a prize chosen by you. And if you really want to ramp up the educational power, you can have them to complete all but one of the educational activities in your cardboard box challenge. So join me and moms across the world to defeat the box that took the place of the educational toy. Download your cardboard challenge today and pop pictures and stuff of what your kids do, because we want to see. And if you have any other tips for conquering the cardboard box, let me know. See you on the other side. Bye.